In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in Zoho Books. Getting your tax settings right from the very beginning is really important because it affects every quote, invoice, and bill you create in Zoho Books. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact screens you need to visit, explain what you're looking at, and share a few tips so you feel confident about your setup. First, open Zoho Books and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see your overall financial summary, like income, expenses, and recent activity. From here, we're going to head straight into the settings area, because all your tax configuration lives there. Look towards the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click that. Anytime you need to change how Zoho Books behaves behind the scenes, this is where you'll come back, so it's good to get familiar with it now. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the main settings page. Here, Zoho Books organizes everything into different sections, such as general preferences, invoice settings, and so on. For taxes, we want to focus on the section labeled Taxes and Compliance. This is the central place where Zoho lets you manage region-specific tax rules, configure how tax appears on your documents, and make sure everything aligns with your local regulations. Click on Taxes and Compliance. The page may look a little different depending on your country or region, but the idea is the same. This is where you control your tax structure. Inside this area, you'll see several options, but for now, we're going to concentrate on the taxes option itself, because that's where you define the actual tax rates you'll be using. Next, click on Taxes. This opens up the dedicated tax configuration page. Here, you'll be able to review any default tax rates that Zoho has created based on your organization's location, and you can also add or edit your own. This is where you make sure